Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbangers Kitchen. My name is Sahil, I'm a heavy metal musician. Shooting star falls, it's not bye-bye. My destiny's calling, this is my time. And I'm also the author of the recipe book called Keto Life. So today I've got another 5 ingredient keto recipe for you, and we are going to be making some delicious cheesy keto biscuits. And I'm talking about the kind of biscuits that you eat with gravy, because in India biscuit means cookie, so it's not that kind of a biscuit. We're talking about the biscuits and gravy kind of biscuit. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's get cooking. For this recipe you are going to need almond flour, cheddar cheese, 1 egg, a clove of minced garlic and baking powder. I'm also going to be using the pantry staples of salt, pepper and a keto approved cooking fat, which in my case is butter. You can also use ghee or olive oil, either is fine. The first thing I'm going to do is add the butter into a bowl along with the minced garlic, and then I'm just going to melt that butter in the microwave for 30 seconds, and your kitchen will already start to smell of that delicious garlic butter. Once that has cooled a bit, I will add in my egg and give it all a good whisk. Make sure you allow it to cool, otherwise you might get scrambled eggs. Once that's done, it's time to add in the other ingredients. So in goes that cheddar cheese, and you can use any cheddar cheese that you like, a strong one for a more intense flavor or a subtle one for a milder flavor. Then in goes my baking powder, followed by some salt and some black pepper for seasoning, and then finally the almond flour, after which I will give it all a good mix. And our batter for the cheesy keto biscuit is ready. Now I'm going to cook this in a ramekin, but you can also do it in a mug if you plan to cook it in the microwave. So I'm just going to lightly oil my ramekin, after which I will put that batter into the ramekin. Now normally I would cook this in the microwave for about 90 seconds and it would be done, but today I've decided I want to bake it in the oven. So I'm just going to pop it into my preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Now to test if your biscuit is done, just put a toothpick through it, and if the toothpick comes out clean, that means it's cooked and it's ready to come out of the oven. And there you have it folks, my cheesy keto biscuit is ready, but you would now want to let this cool down a bit before removing it from the ramekin. And of course I didn't wait long because I have no patience, but I'm just going to run a butter knife along the edges to help release the biscuit from the ramekin. And after a minor struggle with it, I managed to get it to pop out from the ramekin. And oh yeah, that biscuit looks so good. I can't wait to try it. But before I do that, I got to break it open and show you what it looks like on the inside. Don't you just hate it when food shows don't cut into the food and leave you hanging? Yeah, me too. But anyway, enough jibber jabber, time to taste. Alright folks, so it's time to taste our cheesy biscuit, and this looks so delicious. And I've also put a little butter on a piece for me, because it is quite thick and I just feel like, more butter, more fat, hit your keto macros. Anyway, let's taste. Oh man. Wow. The cheese comes through nicely. That extra butter on top is just heavenly. Yeah, I mean, it's good. In fact, I could use this to make like a little hamburger, a mini hamburger. But it is quite heavy, like most keto breads are. But it's so good. And you cannot taste the egg at all, which is I think a complaint most people have with keto breads and most keto baked goods, is that you can taste the egg or you can smell the egg. But that garlic and that cheese has just, this is killer. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys are going to make this at home. If you do, make sure you upload a photo on Instagram, tag me, I'm at Headbangers Kitchen, and I will see you on the next episode. Cheers and keep cooking. Hey folks, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to Headbangers Kitchen for more awesome keto recipes. And make sure that you hit the bell icon so you get notifications when I upload a new video. Anyway, click here for some more recipes or click here and listen to some of my music. Cheers!